Hey guys, so I came out here as fast as I possibly could. I was searching for my tripod because, oh, the Lord knows, I don't really want to be here when this thing takes flight, but this is history in the making. Like, these things only emerge, what, from the earth every 17 years? Am I thinking about the correct thing? What are they called? Cicadas or something of that sort? I'm not sure. I will do research just a little bit before I post this video on it, but like, what is happening? How long can this thing stay in this state as it emerges from its shell? I'm a little bit scared. My tripod broke now, so I'm not able to really get it to sit steady like I wanted to. Would it be? Yeah, yeah. I was just out here and I spotted this, and at first I was gonna walk by it. I thought it was a leaf. I'm scared, and I know I am being mouthy right now because I have never, ever witnessed anything like this, and I'm scared, guys. I'm scared. This thing take off and take off. I might scream, and I've always wondered, where does those shells come from? Like, what happened? Because I've seen these empty shells before, so this can't be what emerges from beneath the earth every 17 years. Because I've seen this before, or is it? I want to go underneath this thing, and I better take advantage right now. Oh shit, it looks like a baby frog being born. I better take advantage right now while I have this opportunity. Like, can I dig a little? It's holding space for this tripod, guys. I need to capture this, but hold on, I'm sorry, I lost it. Let me bring it out. I do need to capture this, but guys, when I say your girl ain't trying to be here when this thing just take flight and do whatever it does. Mosquitoes flying. Yeah, I definitely gotta find a way to secure this. How much longer does it have? Like, do I have time? I want to get out of here. Oh, it's coming. I see it. It's coming. It's like a baby. Oh my God! Do not act a fool when this thing come out of the shell, Mika. Please. I am trying to mentally prepare myself. Come on. I see your wings. You can do it. I want to witness this with my own eyes, but ooh-wee. My God. This is history, even if this isn't a cicada. And then there's a snail down here, but I'm not even gonna panic. Two snails. Wait a minute, I need to stand up. I'm in a squatted position, quite low to the ground. I don't want to move this because I feel like this thing is going to emerge in a second, and I'm not sure how fast. I see your wings. You are beauty. You are beauty. Indeed. Now, what you gonna do? Come on. Oh my God, don't you act no fool out here, girl. When this thing comes out. What angle do y'all want? You want to see it up top? I don't know what to do. Do it in slow-mo, but getting nervous, but I wish I had my tripod. Some things just need to be captured. I am going to name you Cicada? Yeah, Cicada. I'm sending you out, girl, like that. Yeah, you Cicada. Oh, Alright, guys. It is happening. What?